Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch Emulator on PC. First, select a reputable emulator such as Yuzu or Vujinx. It's crucial to ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications, which usually include an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card for optimal performance. After downloading and installing your chosen emulator, you'll need to legally acquire the console's firmware and decryption keys from your own Nintendo Switch to proceed with the setup. Next, you'll need to legally obtain your game files. This involves dumping your own Nintendo Switch game cartridges or digital purchases into a format compatible with the emulator. Once your games are ready, dive into the emulator settings. Here, you can fine-tune graphics, audio, and input options. Make sure to map your favorite controller, whether it's an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, for comfortable gameplay. Don't forget to experiment with rendering backends like Vulkan or OpenGL to achieve the best balance of visuals and speed. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, optimizing performance is key. Always keep your graphics card drivers updated to their latest versions. Before launching a game, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Within the emulator, adjust resolution scaling and internal rendering resolution to suit your PC's power. You can also toggle specific emulator features, like asynchronous GPU emulation or multi-core CPU emulation, to find the sweet spot for each game you play, aiming for 60 frames per second. Finally, if you encounter any issues, don't worry. Start by checking the emulator's official documentation and frequently asked questions section. These resources often contain solutions to common problems. For more specific help, join the emulator's community forums or Discord servers. The community is usually very helpful. Remember to report any bugs you find to the development team with detailed information. And always keep your emulator updated to benefit from the latest performance enhancements and bug fixes, ensuring the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.